Hello everyone. Now we will start with our next important question. Destructuring of arrays and object. Here it is useful JavaScript feature to extract properties from arrays or object and then assign it to some other variable and use it. So due to that, what is happening if we have been given an object named as person and to access person.address.city we need to write a long statement, but I just want to address this particular thing just using city or some other variable. So what I can use, I can go with the concept of destructuring. So if I will write console.log name, so first name will be shown. If I will log console.log city, so city will be shown. In this way, the destructuring plays a role. Let's see in our example. So I will write here console. Before console, we need to destructure it. Const person. Okay, here we will write what we want to destructure, first name, and whenever I want to access the first name by using name, and then address is also to be, so in the address city. So now if I will do console.log name only, so actually Khushbu should be printed. Let's see in the browser. Yes, it is coming. Now suppose if I want to access the city, I can do city only. City. Yes, Pune is coming. So in this way the destructuring plays an important role. In destructuring, if value is missing, so I want to get some default value for it. For example, in const person, okay, actually the subject is not present. So if anybody write the console.log subject, I want to print some default value for it. So at that time, I can make use of destructuring again. How? Now we will see. So here what I will do, I will just write subject. Okay, I will give default value to it, sub by equal to. Okay, now if I will print subject and I will see, then it is printing JavaScript. So in this way it is also used to print the missing value, or if the value is not present, then the default value for it. So now we will see the array destructuring part. So suppose I have been given an array with some value 8, 4 and 6 and I want to access that array elements using a, b or some other variable name. Instead of accessing ARR of 0, ARR of 1, we just want to access it with some other variable. So here also we can make use of destructuring. That we will see now in our browser itself. So here we have let ARR is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. I want to access 1 by A, 2 by B. So what I can do, I will simply write const. Okay, I will write A comma B in the bracket, then I will write ARR. If I will write A, 1 will come, B, 2 will come. So in this way, destructuring plays an important role in an array. Same way, suppose I want to access rest of the value with help of B. So I can simply use A comma rest operator B. So with B, we will be able to access 2, 3 and 4. So with this, we concluded destructuring of arrays and object. In the next video tutorial, we will see some more interesting facts about all these concepts. Okay, so stay tuned in our next video tutorial.